Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to interact with your Raydium AMM liquidity pool and add or remove tokens. In our previous video, we used our playground to create a liquidity pool and swap tokens on the Solana DevNet. Now, let's use that pool and deposit some tokens. As this is a tutorial, I'm going to switch back to the playground, and I highly recommend that if you're new to Web3 or want to test something, use our playground before moving to the mainnet. I'll quickly show you how to use it. Simply open the settings panel from the sidebar and select Playground. And also open the Phantom extension. Go to the settings, select the developer settings, and then activate testnet mode. Using this tool is very straightforward. First, we need to select our token from this section or paste its mint address. Then we need to paste the pool ID here, which we can find and copy from the activities panel. Now we must set the amount of base tokens. An important aspect of this tool is that it maintains the ratio of tokens in the pool. When we enter our desired base token amount, the tool automatically calculates the required quote tokens needed to preserve this balance. Therefore, if you intend to use this tool, keep in mind that you'll need adequate funding for both tokens. So, let's enter all of our base tokens and wait for the system to process. As you can see, the Phantom wallet is showing us the exact amount of base and quote tokens that we see below the deposit button, and in return we are receiving LP tokens. Wait for a couple of seconds. Done. We have successfully added our tokens to the pool and received some LP tokens. Note that, depending on your Web3 project, this tool can become a crucial part of your strategy. For instance, if you want to launch a meme coin, you can prevent snipers from taking a large proportion of your total supply. The strategy involves initially creating a liquidity pool with just 10% of your tokens, then using this tool to gradually add the remaining 90%. This approach limits snipers to accessing only the initial 10% and protects the rest of your supply. That was all about how to deposit tokens. Now let's withdraw tokens from the pool. First, we need to click on the Remove tab to change the action. This time, instead of the base token, we must select our LP token. Don't forget that you can always find such addresses in the Activities panel. Then, we need our pool ID, which is already here. Now, we must set how many LP tokens we want to remove in order to withdraw base and quote tokens from the pool. As this is a tutorial and no real value is involved, I'll remove all of my LP tokens to show you something. Unlike depositing, the system only charges us the withdrawal fee. You can see that the Phantom wallet shows us the amount of LP tokens we're removing and the amounts of base and quote tokens we'll receive. Wait for it to process. Done. We have successfully removed our LP tokens and withdrawn base and quote tokens from the liquidity pool. It's important to understand that this withdrawal process is the same mechanism that malicious actors use to remove liquidity and harm investors, commonly known as a rug pull. So, if you want to launch a legitimate project, but you're not certain about its success and intend to keep your LP share in case of failure to recover your funds, there are two recommended approaches. You can either build credibility by supporting your project with a comprehensive white paper that clearly explains your tokenomics, roadmap, and justifies all decisions. Or, if your project has a predetermined duration, for example, if it's designed to run for 2 years, consider locking your LP tokens for that entire period. By locking your LP tokens, you demonstrate a long-term commitment and prevent yourself from pulling liquidity unexpectedly. After the lock period expires, you can then access your LP share and withdraw the remaining tokens if needed. Alternatively, if your project cannot provide such transparency measures, the best approach is to permanently incinerate your LP tokens to demonstrate ultimate commitment to the community. That was all about how to withdraw tokens. Remember that you can follow the same approach on the mainnet, but make sure to switch the network back and turn off testnet mode. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and we're always here to help.